6th of June 2025 yuma thigũkũ ya ithiramu ya Eid ul Adha no maũndũ macio mothe matinakorwo makĩrorwo na njĩra ĩmwe nene mũno kuona atĩ nĩ kuma na event ĩkorirwo ĩkĩoya attention yothe mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ na nĩ none other than event ya Economic Empowerment Forum ya kũrĩa Kapseret constituency ĩyo nĩ constituency ya Oscar Sudi. Empowerment Forum is said to be one of the most expensive of all those empowerment forums, being said to have cost 45 million Kenya shillings. Oscar Sudi akiaria haria nĩ ahavire nginya gũkorwo agĩtetera na kuga atĩ hatirĩ ndururu ona ĩmwe yumĩte thirikari-inĩ igathiĩ harĩ project ĩyo ya Empowerment Forum, na nĩ mbia ciake na arata ake iria makoretwo magĩcanga nĩgetha makorwo magĩteithia andũ a Kapseret constituency.
Niko na marafiki, mimi na marafiki zangu, especially marafiki zangu kutoka Tanzania. Niko na rafiki yangu anaitwa Rostam, ni mwanabiashara mkubwa na ni rafiki yangu sana. Niko na rafiki yangu anaitwa Abdul, ni rafiki yangu na ni mwanabiashara mkubwa sana. Mimi na wao na watu wengine watatu niliweza kuongelesha na tukachanga, sisi tukiwa watu 4. Sitaki kuambia pesa walinipatia, lakini ni marafiki wa ukweli. Mimi na wao tumeweza kununua hii bidhaa ya milioni 45, 45,000. Milioni 45, 45,000.
Uhoro no turete direct munene muno, especially being compared to kira happen in empowerment forums in Mount Kenya. Konate empowerment forum cia guko Mount Kenya compared to that of Kapseret constituency is a total joke. In fact, ugi combine empowerment forum ciothe cia Mount Kenya, I think ugi combine ciothe nicio riu cingikinyira that one there, of which iyo ni tuonire indo ci hau, but ici cia guko rarely do we see things there already. Ikoragwo event igocangwo mbeca mero cigogaya, no we don't know if it is divided, and hakorwo na ciuria nyingi muno cia why are Mount Kenya MPs doing this to Mount Kenya people. Niki gitumi kia abunge a Mount Kenya, those who are allied to William Ruto, makorwo magiko because obviously they know what is happening. Akorwo ni Empowerment Forum ni moire kurathi na mbere, and they know ona magithiko ko Oscar Sudi nimekumenyaga maundu macio mothe. I'm assuming that na nimekumenyaga compared to iria cira happen Mount Kenya, that is a total display of public opulence. Iria guko Mount Kenya kuraheanwo bosho na all those things iria cikoretwo cikiarĩrĩrio cina giconoko. In fact nĩ nyonire mbica nginya women rep ndiũĩ wako, I think it is Laikipia. Women rep kana mobunge one of the places in Laikipia agiposti erire ciana cia cukuru mandathi, and now she was posting ati we have delivered mandazis. Oge atumite andu mare raini hau akimahe mugate, agibosho ifiriti, insane things. Kuria maraheo ngari, machine cia gutuma, machine cia kurenga mbao, machine cia gutuma njuĩrĩ. This is a total joke. Recently niko koretwo na bara gatagati ka Baby Top na Betty Maina. Baby Top areizite alarm ya ati Mount Kenya kuraheanwo mboco iria ciarĩ relief na ikorwo debate imwe nene muno, and unfortunately muthenya wa umuthi ni tuonire that women rep kuria Kapseret, unfortunately agiconorithia andu a Murang'a kuu, because what she said was totally guconorithia andu a Murang'a. Tondu other leaders were talking about development, yeye aliongelelea vile Rigathi Gachagua alitolewa juu atakumaliza shot moja.
Mimi ni bibi ya mbunge wake na tulimtoa kwa mate kama funza. Hakuna mtu atauzia uoga hii Kenya. Kama hajui kumaliza round moja, hata tufunza kuenda round 2. Ashindwe kabisa. Nyinyi wanaume mko hapa kwa mkutano. Mwanaume wa kutolewa juu hafai kuwa na kiburi. Hakumaliza round moja, anajifanya Kenya mzima ni atauzia wanaume wengine uoga. Mutanunua uoga, hamtanunua uoga. Sisi alijifanya atatubabaisha.
You know the disrespect. You know the lack of composure in in these people that we call leaders. Ona dokiuge ona andu ni marakumenyete na ritwa riuru kwira andu ati aria me against we ni ihi. Can't you just suffice tu for once the next time unatokea on camera? Can't you just make people have at least something good to say about you? Ni warie wana we Murang'a, warie wana we ginya Kapseret. Na by the way, does Betty Maina speak in parliament? Does she? Sijaipitana na hadi ka clip kake akiongea bunge. I'm yet to confirm that. But maundu macio makorwo makihappen kuu Kapseret muthenya wa 6th of June. Makorwo magituthura marakara manene muno kuri andu a Mount Kenya, and you have seen people reacting in very different ways, and tuonete ginya Bishop Ben akiuga ati ucio ni wira wa empowerment iria cikoretwo cikihappen Mount Kenya. Ucio ti wira wa politicians, ucio ti wira wa elected leaders, ucio ni wira wa charitable organizations. Tariu ta kanitha ta JCM uria koragwo na charity. Acio nio mabati gukorwo makiheana mitu, michere, trolley cia smoke, all those things. O mabati gukorwo makiika major things na za ndani. According to the Bombshell Intelligence Desk, kuratuika ati event hiyo ya kuria Kapseret nekorwo igituthura reactions nyingi muno guku nenda in the political scene, na nitumire the leader of majority akorwo agita mucemanio wa abunge a Mount Kenya aria me allied to William Ruto, tondu amwe ao ni marakarire muno kuona ati matikui kiria kirathi na mbere, aria makorire uguo ni monire this was a pure setup, na mucemanio ucio there was a plan to revive or to change the narrative ya uria andu marawirira maundu thaici Mount Kenya about the empowerment forums, na plan hiyo ni ya gukorwo magika empowerment forum kundu kungi, na icio cia kundu kuu kungi cikorwo ci very shoddy, macoke mabange imwe ya Mount Kenya ira igukorwo planned nigetha makorwo maki restore hope hari andu a Mount Kenya ati empowerment forum cia guku bado ni ciraika undu wa gukorwo ugiteithia andu. Aside from that, kuratuika ati right now William Ruto is not happy with these empowerment forums. Bado ni kuringana na the Bombshell Intelligence Desk, kuona ati the empowerment forums are bringing more negativity than positivity, because like the event of muthenya wa 6th of June, Friday, nirakorwo igituthura a lot of division gatagati ka andu a kuria Kapseret kana andu a kuria Rift Valley na andu a Central kana andu a Mount Kenya, because right now andu a Mount Kenya already ni marona ni marakuwa wana ni abunge ao, and who is leading that? Their MPs. Na kuria Rigathi Gachagua ni akorwo agiconfirm undu ucio muthine mekwanjagia coastal tour na amoma kuria ikamba-ini na kuu, na auga ati Mount Kenya kuratumwo mboco na mucere na andu maheo 500 manyue, no yakinya ni guthi kuria Rift Valley maraheo indo cingimateithia. Such remarks nĩcikoretwo cigĩkĩra mũkonde what people are really thinking about this story. Na ũhoro ũyũ nĩũtũmĩte William Ruto akorwo akĩboeka na empowerment forums. The plan is they have to either rebrand it or do away with it. Ũcio nĩguo mũrũgamo wa William Ruto according to the Bombshell Intelligence Desk. Bombshell Intelligence Desk makoragwo makĩheana za ndani, and majority of the times what they say comes to pass. Koguo to some point it is a very reliable source of information. Na akorwo nĩ maugĩte ũguo, we just wait and see. Maybe after some time tukuona empowerment forum ya Nakuru, maybe Nyanza, and then after some time tuone ya Mount Kenya, and we will confirm that. Do you think the empowerment forum was a good idea in the first place? Do you think it's serving the purpose? At first, yare ya gũcokia akirima kuri William Ruto. But no, it has turned out to be something that is depopularizing the William Ruto government. Ndiye maoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this.